Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I talked about the basics of Pika Labs and how to use it. Since then, the team has made some great improvements to the site, and I want to take a few minutes to go over them with you. Let's start now. The most useful guide is still in the Getting Started menu. I'll only highlight the points that not included in my previous video. First, let's see the prompt example. Create prompt. A robot is walking in the forest, sunset AR 16:9 motion 2. You must follow this structure to get your prompt working. Create prompt. Plus description of the video you want to create plus optional parameters. Down below you can see a link that'll bring you to the list of optional parameters they currently support. Here is a note that says parameters must be added after the prompt words. Use a space to separate them from your prompt words and each other. Parameter motion. Use for adjusting the strength of motion. Accepts number between 0 to 4. Default is 1. Parameter guidance scale. Use for adjusting the guidance scale. The higher, the more related to text. Accepts numbers. Recommend between 8 to 24. Default is 12. Parameter negative prompt. Use for negative prompting unwanted words, what you don't want the video to have. Accepts words surrounded by quotes, or. Parameter aspect ratio. Use for adjusting aspect ratio. The width, height of a video. Accepts number. For example, 16:9, 9:16, 1:1, 4:5, default is 1024 to 576. A note here says that PikaBot will also infer the aspect ratio from your attached image. Parameter seed, use for more consistent generation. Currently fixing seed only guarantees consistency when both prompt and negative prompt are unchanged. Accepts numbers, default is random. Note, seed number of a generated video can be found at the end of its file name. Now let's go back to the Getting Started menu, and see what are other useful notes for. There is a guide link for how to animate your image in Pika, which I didn't explain too much in my previous video. Let's go through this together. It says you can add an image to your prompt in Pika to tell the Pika AI to start your video with the image. Note, your image is the first frame, so you cannot make large changes such as a dog going from sitting to running around. On PC, type, create and enter the prompt you'd like to use, then press Tab. The upload image option will appear. You can drag and drop an image or copy and paste or click to add an image from your computer. See attached video for step-by-step process for PC. On mobile, type, create and enter the prompt you'd like to use. Simply tap the Image button above your prompt. This will open your camera roll for you to select an image. Tap your image to select and it will be added to your prompt. Let's see this example. It will show that this video is generated from an image. Okay, go back to check out other useful notes. There is one for PikaBot buttons. It explains what do the buttons under the video do. Such as, thumbs up, thumbs down, regenerate, remix and delete video. They are quite straightforward. Another one is for, how to navigate the Pika Discord server, and what are all the channels for. You can find the information you need in different channel. I will leave it to you. The two left notes are for tracing your work, as so many users are using the public server at the same time. It is difficult to find your generated video sometimes, especially if you want to check your generation history. So here shows that how to find your own videos in the Pika server, and make videos in a private direct message, DM, with PikaBot. To find the video in the search area by typing in your Discord username is a temporary and straight way. But if you want to make all your work more organized, I'd highly recommend you to use the private generations. Let's check this one together. On PC, click Show Member List button. and then right-click on PikaBot, click Message. This will open a direct message with PikaBot. Type Create to start making videos. On mobile, tap on the Member List button, tap on PikaBot, tap on Message button. Please do not tap Add to Server. This will open a direct message with PikaBot. Type Create to start making videos. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI.